For months, this day live only in our imagination. We planned for it, we saved for it, we prayed for it. And after everything we went through just to make it to Madrid, today was finally the day we would see BTS. Not through a screen, but with our own eyes. But before the dream could fully begin, there is still one question on my mind. Would our VIP soundcheck experience be everything we had hoped for?
Hi, let's go zone army. I fought for you.
Yes. Hi. Hi. Philo Army. Sugar Army.
Ito my vlog.
Hi, Army. Hi, Mom. Say hello, hola. Enjoy, have fun. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. From Philippines. Yeah.
Hi, I'm from Morocco. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
Hi.
Iconic.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Yes. Hi. Thank you so much. Hi. Bye-bye. Thank you. Guys, may patulo na ng dugo. Mahangin pa nga, oh. Sobrang hangin, pero yung init talaga din. Tutulo na siya.
For the collaboration.
Thank you.
It's a
Thank
traditional Korean lucky pocket.
Smooth like butter, like let's go! Let's go!
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, your nurse Graves Travel. Today is the day na ng BTS Concert Madrid, guys. Ito na yung outfit natin paglabas, pero mag-change na lang din tayo later on. Wala pa rin confidence na gamitin ang ating fit. So let's see, baka ma-encourage tayo ng mga naka-outfit for the concert. Tsaka kasi medyo baka mainit nga talaga, guys, dito sa Madrid. Welcome to Madrid, guys. And simulan na natin tong araw na to. Ang oras na is 8:26, 20 degrees Celsius Madrid time, guys. Hindi pa ganun kainit. Isamahan nyo kami for today. Ang journey natin sa first day of BTS Madrid concert. Yeah, finally, ang dream natin makapunta sa concert ng BTS ay, alam nyo na, makukulayan na natin, guys. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Sasama ko kayo sa journey namin sa pagpunta, ano yung nangyayari doon sa event, behind the scenes, and everything, guys. Let's see and let's enjoy this journey. Kasama nyo kami. Kasama namin kayo sa journey na to. So, without further ado, tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go. This is our day, guys. Laban na natin to. Sana hindi mainit. Ito yung outside ng medyo hindi pa siya ganun eh. Tapos alam nyo, guys, 10 PM matatapos yung concert. 8 PM start ang concert. Pero
kahapon, 8 PM, maliwanag pa din. So, ayun guys, may araw pa nga siya kahapon. 'Di ba? So, tignan natin sa concert kung umaaraw habang nagko-concert. Ang late ng umaga nila dito, mas long yung umaga compared sa gabi. So, let's see guys, ito elevator na kami at lalabas na tayo. Let's go, let's enjoy, and laban natin to guys. Good morning, Madrid! Guys, wala akong dalang mic today. Cellphone lang kasi madaming bawal sa concert. So, ayun guys, good morning, Madrid! So, let's start our day today. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-init. Yeah. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Eh, ito yung hotel namin, Nido, Princess Pio. Ayan na yung, ayan na yung metro. Dito lang sa Tawid. So, malapit lang. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, gusto nyo malapit ang metro, dyan lang siya, guys. Let's go! So, yun guys, gamit lang tayo ng nabili nating ticket, train ticket. So yun guys, dito na tayo sa may train. Navigate lang natin Google Maps guys. So yun guys, hayaan nyo na ako kasi ang eyebags natin. Alas 2 na tayo nakatulog. Yung iba mga naka-hour na outfit. Sige, magpalit na rin tayo mamaya. Na tayo sa train ng Metropolitano Station. So, ang dami na natin nakita mga armies here, guys. Siguro mag-change outfit na rin. Kasi may nakita namin naka-handbook din. Let's go! Sa outfitan. Let's go. Let's go. Laban natin yung outfitan natin. Pinatahipan natin to guys. Puntahan muna namin saan kami pupunta. Kasi past 9 na, mahaba yung pila. Ang inaano nating merch guys. Ito yung outfitan natin guys. Hey! Today guys, yung ating VIP na seated with sound check guys. Then tomorrow platinum ticket tayo. So, doon tayo sa mahabang pila. So, priority natin ngayon is yung makakupgili ng merch. We like stick especially. Laban yun, laban. Let's go! Start na mag-init. Medyo ito na yung araw. Laban lang for the goals tayo na makanood ng BTS concert. Oh my God, sobrang init. Oh, may pag-gifts dito. Hi. Thank you so much. For freebies. Yeah, get one. Thank you. Get one. For Sugar Rush. This is for Sugar Rush.
Thank you.
No probs. Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. For my food.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. This is for Sugar Rush. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So, ayun guys, nakuha tayo ng dalawang freebies. So, paubos ng candies natin, yung freebies natin. Hindi kasi tayo nakapag-effort guys. Naman ang dami nating ginawa. Ito yung VIP floor, yun yung mahaba palang pila. So, dito yung seated guys. Yan siya. Oh my God. Ang init pero okay lang. Success. Laban.
Oh my God, thank you.
Some Sugar Rush. Yay! Thank you. Some Sugar Rush. Thank you.
Pizza scratch. Pizza yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oo. Thank you so much po. Hi. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you so much, JK. Jimin. Hey. Ang merch. Mas konti. Truth. Kuhaan na ng ano pala. Hi, how are you? Yung likes. I don't know. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's the information dito? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Merchandise, where? There. Okay. Thank you so much. Check natin later. So ito guys, yung ating nakuha. Nag-isa kami. Freebies ng VIP. So dito na tayo sa may merch guys. Ayan. Merch. Wala sa bangketa. Kaya nga, nakapag-pick up din kami. Sa Thursday namin eh, wala nang schedule. So Army Bob, 20 Cradles and the Cradle. Yeah. And the Cradle, the handle. Two. Yes, please. BTS.
Okay.
Meron na tayo guys. This one. Ay. Ang saya. Ay, why? Ano to? May lumulusok. Char. Magmamerch sila. IP is there. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. So yun guys, mission achieved. Nakabili tayo ng Army Bomb. Yay. Kasi hi muna sa vlog. Enjoy kayo. Saya. Tapos achieve yung ating kagustuhan. Nakabili tayo. Kaya yung pick up natin, bibigay natin kay Ate Flor and Ate Sheila. Sa inyo na po yun. Meron na kami. Magamit namin dito sa concert. Oh, thank you so much. It's Jungkook. Thank you. Siya yung nagbigay. Thank you po. Alam nyo guys, ang fun. Sila pa yung lalapit sa bibigyan ng freebies. Yung sa amin naubos na kasi. I'm sorry guys. Itong outfitan natin daming, ganun daw. Custom made kasi yung ano namin guys. Nakailang adjustment pa kami sa aurahan natin. So hopefully sana talaga ma-enjoy natin ang loob mamaya. Alam nyo guys, ang dami na nagbigay ng freebies. Wala na kami magbigay kasi naubos na yung amin. Hindi ko na rin sila na-videohan kasi nagja-charge din ako ng phone yung iba. Hi! Thank you so much! Thank you! Meron tayong Madrid money. Nice! Nice! Oh my God, ang dami nating mga freebies, guys. Hi! Thank you so much! Thank you so much! No, say hi! Thank you so much! Have fun! Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo dami nilang pabigay. Oh, So, I'm so happy sa very nice na outfit natin, guys. na ilaban natin to. So, ayun, dami nagbibigay, oh. Naubos na kasi yung amin. I got RM here. This one, RM. Hala siya. Ang saya. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful, guys. Yun nga, ito na yung entrance namin. Hindi pa naka-open. Ito, Puerta 9, Gate 9. I'm so happy. Madami na naka-appreciate sa aming custom-made outfit. And also, ayun guys, I'm so happy talaga. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko masabi kung ano ba feeling natin, guys, for today experience. I think worth it yung pag-VIP, guys. Hindi ka pipila doon. Like, pero VIP standing sa labas. Sila yung pinakamadami, yung seated kami. Konti lang yung pila kasi parang bilang lang talaga, hindi siya 100. Okay. I got you. Thank you. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. So, ayun guys, natutuwa kami na appreciate nila yung ating aurahan for today's video. Yung iba, ako makausap, kaso hindi nila ma-explain in English. Pero naintindihan natin na na-appreciate nila yung outfit natin. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. Kala namin ako kasi, may feeling kasi kala ko magiging funny yung kasuotan ko. Pero at least, ngayon, na-prove natin na yung doubts natin na pagsuot ng ganitong aurahan is okay na okay. Na ma-appreciate ng people, no? Be yourself and be confident lang talaga. Kaya kayo din, guys, pag kayo na yung nasa concert, kahit anong itsura mo, kahit anong damit mo, guys, welcome na welcome kayo dito. Ang daming mga style, mga outfits yung mga persons dito, mga armies. But they will love it, regardless kung anong suot mo. Kaya guys, let's go!
Where are you from?
We're from Philippines. Yeah.
I'm from Morocco.
Oh, how nice to meet you. Travel there.
Yeah, you have to come.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful country.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, I was planning to go to the Philippines for the concert.
Oh, but it's hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
We didn't book also.
Buy also this
And I
pair.
China, Bangkok.
Ah, you got Bangkok.
live in
Nice.
Bangkok.
I get Bangkok and I get Kuala Lumpur. Oh, you're from Morocco. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Enjoy, have fun.
Have fun. Yeah. Oh, diba guys? I got J-Hope. Ngayon, papapicture sila sa amin, guys. So, I'm so happy. We're so grateful. Say hi to our vlog.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeong. Hola, army. Laban.
Yes, yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Iconic.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, no problem. Yes. Hi. Yes, hi.
Ay, pero sa mga likin eh.
Okay.
Army.
Thank you so much. Hi. Bye-bye. Thank you. Laban. Hey, thank you so much.
Hello.
Hi. Mommy.
Yeah, she's my mom.
Oh, you're Army?
Yes,
Army.
Hi, Mom.
Thank you so much.
Hola.
Hola. Thank you.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines. Yeah, thank you. So, I have picture much. Yeah, sure. Army. Hello. Thank you. No problem. Laban ang aurahan. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Gusto daw nila yung outfit natin, guys. Akala ko we will look like funny, like ganon. So, laban, guys. Oh, may mga aura ni mga ate. Oh, di ba? Kaya guys, pag pumunta kayo ng concert, wear whatever you want. Be you. And kung ano yung gusto mo, go mo lang ba? Ito kasi nung una nagda-doubt ako na, baka magmukha kaming kakatawanan, ganun. Pero a lot of them are appreciating this outfit, no? I'm so happy. Thank God. Kasi gusto ko i-document lahat and everything para kayo din, guys. Laban na laban. At mapanood nyo rin yung journey natin dito sa ating trip here in Madrid for BTS concert. Hello! Hola! Thank you so much. Sorry? Enjoy! Have fun! Yeah! Thank you! Bye-bye! Thank you so much! Thank you! Jimin. O, di ba? Namin pa freebies ng mga armies. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you sa mga pa freebies. O, ang effort. Naubos na yung amin eh. Kahit simple lang. Pero they will appreciate it, guys. I love it. I love. Super love. Yung nangyayari now and now. I'm so happy. Army! Thank you so much, BTS. It's so fun. Ay, lava. I think, mag-book ulit tayo. Mag-secure a ticket for concert. Join us. Also. Come. Yeah. You can join us. Army, Mami. Army! Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, please. Hi. Yes. No problem. Okay, no problem. Army.
Gracias.
Say hi. No problem. Hi. Have fun. Hi. How are you?
Encantada.
Army.
Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Yes, please. Hi. Yeah, I have YouTube. Nurse Craves Travel.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, vlog. Thank you so much po. Picture tayo. Say hi po sa vlog. Hello. Hello, Army. Hello. Adto kayo ah.
Sige po.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy. Hi, Army. Thank you, enjoy. Hi. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you around. Thank you so much. Ayun, may naghabol ng freebies.
Picture sa atin yun.
Ano pa picture ba siya kanina? Hinabol niya kami, nagbigay siya ng freebies. Ang saya. Hi! Hello! Mama!
Say hi to our vlog!
Wala na. Ang gulo nila dito. I think ito na yung sound check, guys. Ay! Hello ka! So ayun guys, na-confuse na kami kasi ang oras pa lang. Thank you! Na-distract ako ni ate. Cute daw yung clothings natin, yung outfit natin. So time is 12:57. So na-confuse kami guys doon kasi sabi na hindi mag-open yung door. Nang sinasabi nila, 3 PM daw mag-open guys. Tingnan nyo, may naririnig kayo. Kala namin sound check na. So 5 PM pa daw ang sound check. Ang entrance is 3. Dehydrated ng first one. By 3 PM, balik tayo doon sa tambayan natin kanina. Doon tayo umaga. Pipila. Oh my God. A lot of eksena ang nagaganap here in person. Pero enjoy. It's part of our journey, guys. Na maligaw, malito, ma-confuse. And yeah, we cleared it from the entrance. Mga nabibigay ng VIP freebies. So guys, bili mo namin ng mga drinks namin. Okay?
Because in English, I don't sing the Korean. I'm fighting to buy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I see you guys in the
Yeah. Next year, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Freebies!
Hi, thank you so much.
Armicari.
Yeah.
Pasa Armicari.
Thank you.
Free water. Yes! Free water! Guys, waiting muna kami ng opening ng door namin dito. 3 pa daw mag-open. Tingnan natin how it goes dito sa ating VIP seated. Ang mga naunang pumasok guys, yung mga standing. Kasi daw kailangan nilang i-organize yung position nila. Kasi sa seated meron naman na assigned seats, so okay lang yun. So yun guys, chill muna kami dito waiting. Time is 1:37 PM na. So may 1.5 hours almost na waiting time. Chill muna kami dito magpahangin. Buti hindi mainit, hindi siya ganun kainit. Medyo organized naman yung dito.
Hi, Army.
Hola, Army.
Thank you so much. Hi, Army. Thank you so much. I like you. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you.
Gracias.
Welcome.
Hola! Oh, thank you! Thank you! Got sugar! Oh, holy God! Nice! Super freebies!
Open na ba?
Yung nagkaguluhan na si Ari.
Hi, Army.
Army, I go for you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
We have Jungkook, please.
Jungkook. Tama, Jungkook.
Thank you so much. Thank you. JK. So ayun guys, may dinuguan na tayo. May patulo na ng dugo. So guys, pag ganito kainit, hydrate. Pero hindi lang sobrang init dito guys ha. Nasa 29 degrees Celsius. Buti hindi siya ganun kalala. So ayun guys, pag kayo din, kung mag-inat-inat na lang guys. Talagang mahangin pa nga oh. Sobrang hangin pero yung init talaga din. So tulo na siya. Ayun guys, balik pila na tayo. Sobrang dinugo ang aking ilong. So I'm so happy. Yung mga ibang army nagtatanong kung okay lang. I love this fan base.
Yes. We're happy. Okay. Thank you so much. This one.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
You just follow him and follow his command, okay? Thank you very much. This is not an official merchandise, but we would like
okay.
to thank you for
Thank
the
you.
collaboration.
Thank you.
It's a traditional
you.
Korean lucky pocket. Lucky pocket, and it has a traditional biscuit.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Later you'll be seeing on the screen.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So ayun na guys, nakabasok na tayo. Last na hulas. Oh my God. 105 here. So ayun, abangan natin guys ang ating body to body sa screen. Galing. Nakita tayo ng staff crew ng concert. Yay! Nakapasok na tayo guys! Woo! Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nalapit natin sa stage! Yay! Hey! So ayun guys, nasa loob na tayo and waiting na lang tayo sa sound check. So 5 o'clock. So konting minuto na lang sound check na guys. Hello po. Kayo po yung si Mami. Si Mami, oy. Hello po. Hello po. Hi. Nakang-concept na kayo. Laban kayo. First time, hindi po. Galing akong Doha. So, alam niyo na yung mga kaganapan doon. Ang hirap. Kala ko nga hindi namin matutuloy po eh.
Nag-book tayo late na, no? Kasi
Kaya ganun po.
Nice to meet you po. Hello po. Hi. Thank you so much po. Raven po. Pero yung channel ko, Nurse Grace Travel. Nurse. Yes. Nurse pa ako sa Qatar. Thank you so much po.
Army!
Hi, fellow armies. Freebies. Bigyan nyo lahat eh. Ayan. Another freebies. Ayan, namimigay sila guys. So ayun guys, may pahabol pa. Bigay nila. Eh, thank you so much guys. Eh,
Tapos si Madam Jane.
thank you so much. Take one. Thank you so much. Yeah, oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Eh, meron tayong bigay ni ate. Si ate. Sugar Rush. And this one. Thank you. Swim, swim. I just wanna die. Swim. Swim, swim, swim. I just wanna die. I just wanna die.
What's up? What's up? Got the heat. Hey. So hot and heat. What's poppin',
Thank you.
Kain muna tayo guys, malapit ang itinakdang oras. Pero tayo less than 30 minutes mag-start na.
Ay, ba yung doon tayo ba?
It's the first night in Madrid. Let's start this the right way. Not from the back.
I'm giving you everything tonight. Mother, this is just the beginning. If this is night one, I can imagine how crazy the rest of our time in Mother will be.
I believe this is my first time in Madrid. Alright? I know it took us too long, but we're mature to feel it.
gap. Make this time training unforgettable. So this is our very memory. I heard you've been counting down the days for tonight. Madrid. Team Madrid. Team Madrid. You ready for this? Okay. I'm ready. Aveda's ready. And BTS ready. Are you ready? One more time. Are you ready?
It's my first time here. I'm already feeling the love. As nice energy is, and anything live is like we're in for a crazy night. Vamos a volvernos locos esta noche. Muy bien, muy bien. Alright guys, let's move right along to the next song. Then Vamos, let's go. Say what you say.
Madrid. Madrid. Okay, I see y'all. Y'all really can't ready tonight. Grab some water. Catch your breath. Cause we're just getting started. Y'all are absolutely insane tonight. Oh my gosh.
You energy is not normal tonight, but I know you guys can get way crazier than this. Right, mucho picante, mucho picante.
That's amazing. But I need to see your faces. Not your phone. Can we do no false format? Eyes to eye. No winners tonight, Madrid. You got everything you got. Are you with me? ¿Estáis listos? ¿Estáis listos? Okay, vamos. Vamos. Ami de Madrid, sois de otro nivel.
You guys are doing so good. Sugar, we gotta keep this moment going. Don't you think?
Alright, trust me, our next take is even crazier, you know? Madrid, are you ready? Are you ready? Looking good through my page, I'm past the pain. Hell no, it's only you. Over, cause it's not over.
Smooth like butter, like gon' pop like trouble breaking. Oh, cool shade sun, yeah. Hot like sun, yeah. Let's go! Let's go! Smooth like butter, baby, now I'm not coming. Gotcha, break it down.
Madrid Army, you sound absolutely amazing, mucho picante, gracias. Salacho por favor.
I want to hear more from Army. What do you want to say? Okay, it's Army time. What's your favorite song? What do you want? What do you want? Okay, okay. Tomorrow. So what? To those two. Alright.
Alright guys, sea cual sea la siguiente canción. Cantar juntos, Teenage Mutant Ninja
마드리드 처음 왔는데 도대체 왜 지금까지 안 왔지 싶을 정도로 여러분들 에너지 오늘 많이 받았습니다.
날이 많이 덥더라고요. 근데 오늘 그 공연 시작할 때부터 해가 좀 너무 쨍쨍했는데 좀 괜찮게 좀 잘 즐기셨는지 궁금해서.
Tenía que estar súper concentrado en el concierto, pero como estabais cantando tan bien y estabais gritando mucho y me estaba riendo todo el rato.
진짜 그만큼 진짜.
You guys are fucking crazy. We were really afraid of the summer weather, but you guys beat this heat. You guys are amazing. My last family trip before the military was to Madrid in 2023. It's my second time. I'm really honored and happy to see you again here. And te quiero. Thank you for coming. All right. Boom.
Habéis esperado que yo hable español, ¿verdad? Quería venir mucho a Madrid y si es posible quiero ir a Barcelona también. Muy bien. Gracias.
가장 와보고 싶은 나라 중 하나입니다, 스페인.
España es uno de los países donde quería visitar siempre.
너무 맛있는 음식과 정말 너무 즐겁게 해주시는 관객 여러분들이 있어가지고 오늘의 기억 평생 잊지 못할 것 같습니다. 스페인어를 이제서야 왔지라는 생각이 진짜 계속 들어요.
Estaba pensando todo el rato, ¿por qué venimos a España ahora?
다음에는 꼭
A España.
너무너무 감사했습니다. 너무 사랑합니다.
Lo habéis hecho muy bien, os quiero.
Te amo mucho. Much love.
¡Qué guapo soy! ¡Y qué vivo tengo!
이게 여기서 유행하는 거래요, 지금. 그래요? 네.
¡Una vez más! Hemos sentido mucho vuestra energía hoy. Que volváis a casa con mucho cuidado. ¡Os quiero!
Muy bien. Esta es la última parte, esta vez de verlo último. Espero que lo disfrutéis hasta el final. Canta con nosotros hasta el final, ¿ok? Muchas gracias. Vamos. Gracias.
Ayun guys, change outfit na. Bukas ulit, ang saya. Tomorrow is another day. Last show tomorrow. Samahan niyo ulit kami. Guys, tapos na ang day 1 natin. Ang saya. Ang bitin. Ang bitin kasi lahat walang walang tapon. So ayun guys. Ang saya! Tomorrow is another day pero hindi na tayo VIP guys. So, alam niyo na, late tayo lalabas. Pahinga mode. Kasi ang init. Super init. Guys, hola! Madaling araw na nakauwi. Ganda ng experience natin for the first time ng BTS concert here in Madrid. Guys, kayo din, ma-experience nyo din yon. Paghandaan nyo guys yung pagpunta nyo ng concert. So, super tiring yet happy. Happy ang heart natin na makanood ng BTS concert. Sulit yung binayad, sulit yung pagod. Realization ko ngayon is napakasaya ng concert. And then, yun nga lang may mga unexpected events na nangyari din during the process of bago yung... So guys, pag pumunta kayo, sobrang init sa concert. Hydrate. Kasi huwag kayong magaya sa akin na nag-nosebleed. Super tagal na nag-nosebleed. Buti na lang bago pa ng pila yung nangyari yun. Napaka-happy kasi yung mga armies. Really, they super effort. Ang dami namin mga freebies na nakuha. Gawa na lang natin ng ng another part. Siguro pag hindi na ako, hindi na pagod ang mga person. So, ayun guys, sa mga na-meet ko today, hello po. Thank you so much po. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa mga susunod na concert for sure. Magkikita tayo guys. Thank you so much. And then, ang happy kasi tayo ganito, alam niyo na, ang bata na ako ganito. So, na-pick tayo, napalabas tayo dun sa screen, sa big screen nila. So, I'm so happy na yung effort natin na mag-handbook. So, guys, ang sabi ng crew, yung staff doon, sabi nila, namimili sila ng Korean-inspired na mga damit. Ganun daw ang kinukuha nila. Nagbunga naman yung outfit of the day natin for today's video. Kung gusto nyo din, na possible din kayo na kayo guys. Outfit nyo is like handbook traditional clothings daw ng Korea. Yun yung pinipili nila. Ang daming nangyari. Parang na-overwhelm yung utak ko. Happy, tired, pero yung puso natin, happiness. Nangingibabaw yung saya natin, guys. Siguro i-wrap up natin lahat ng mga realization, reflection natin sa concert na to tomorrow. Kasi meron pa tayong pupuntahang concert tomorrow, guys. So, ang saya, guys. Ang saya. Kaya-kaya nyo yan, guys. Itayo nyo ang bandera ng Pilipinas pag nag-concert sila sa Pilipinas, guys. Happy sila dito sa Madrid. Sana kayo din dyan sa Pilipinas, tayo yung bandera natin para bumalik sila. Nag-day 3 na nga dyan diba? Napagbigyan ang kagustuhan ng mga Pinoy. 1:53 AM. Second day na. Mamaya na yung concert na pupuntahan natin. Syempre, kasama pa rin kayo, guys. Kaya don't forget to like naman dyan, subscribe na rin kayo, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos and our adventures sa concert. Especially as an army, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang journey natin sa ating concert na mga pupuntahan pa. So ngayon pa lang, nagbabalak na kaming mag-book ng susunod. Soon. So cross fingers sa Middle East sana. Sana matuloy Middle East. And mag-extend ulit sila ng concert. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. And also, kung natapos nyo ang video na to, nakarating kayo sa video na to, comment down below BTS Madrid Day 1 para ma-shoutout ko kayo sa susunod nating mga concert videos and vlog. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Bye-bye armies. Bye-bye cravers. See you on the next vlog.